Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to make a electric lock pick out of one of these toothbrushes today. So let's take a look at it. It's an electric toothbrush and it's split, the head is split there and it vibrates a fair bit. So let's turn it on and see what it's like. So it vibrates quite a lot and it takes a AAA battery, so that's easy to replace. So let's get started and turn this into a electronic lockpick. So first thing I want to do is cut off all the bristles, so we'll get started with that. That's quite a bit messier than than I imagined. Alright, well that's the first step, and push that last little bit through. Well, that's made a good mess, so I'm gonna clean that up before we get on to the next stage. Okay, so the next stage, I'm going to cut off one of these sides here. And just trim that up. I'm going to try and fit this little piece on here somehow. Looks like I just gotta take a little piece off. A little piece off of here. Then we just gotta cut off that. Cut off this end piece here. Okay, then I just drilled a hole through. I just drilled a hole through the end where my bolt is gonna go. Take my pick. You can make one out of a hacksaw blade or something else similar. The only bolt I've got is a great big long one, so I'm going to have to cut that down. But I'm just using stuff that I have at hand. I just want to put a washer on the back. It's a little bit big, but that's all I have. Tighten down that. Just tighten down the screw and that should be about it. Obviously cut the bolt to length. So there you go, that's it. That's on very firmly. I'll turn it on, but you're not going to see it move a whole lot because it vibrates so quick. So I'll just put it up on this piece of tin and you'll hear it. Right, so next thing we'll do is try it in a lock. Okay, we've got our electric lockpick ready. And we've got a new lock. This one's from made by Mountain Security. I just picked this one up in Walmart the other week. It says high security, so we'll see. Case hardened steel shackle pin tumbler security. Yeah, okay. Let's check the lock works fine. There's the bidding on the key. Okay, so that's working fine. Let's lock it up. Fire up the old pick. There we go. And there you have it. That was pretty quick. Let's do it again so you don't think it was a fluke. It's locked up. Here we go. There you have it. Turn her off. There you go. Homemade electric lockpick. Pretty good. So you get a 2-pack of these toothbrushes for about $5, and these, unless you make your own, if you want to buy some of these end pieces for electric picks, they're about $5 for 10. So probably cost me just over $2.50. So under $3 to make an electric pick. And these toothbrushes come with batteries in them, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.